This video chart presentation of China Armco Metals, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. China Armco is an AMEX listed company, trading our ticker CNAM. Catch a glimpse right there. This stock made a move. You can tell it's from the RSI. It was trending sideways, made a sharp move, and now it's retraced. And there you can see the climb, almost a double from down here on 26 cents up to touch 47 cents. Stock retraced, held the 50-day moving average. And this has hit the list as a technical stock to watch this week. See if this is going to hold this 50-day, continue the upward push. See, even going back 9 months, a very bullish look to the MACD, continually making higher lows. Over the last few months, really increased its pace. Breaking through the zero line right now, still in a bullish position. ADX showing some strength to the direction. Looks like it's getting a little high, but it's really only registering around a 30. It's not a bad position at all for this to continue the upward pressure. Money flow index showing money coming into this play, busted right through the 50 mark. A little bit of a different look than the accumulation distribution. Certainly looking forward to hold this baseline. We want to see accumulation outweighing distribution. Checking money flow now in the green. Of course, that's based on the accumulation distribution. Tells you that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. Followers of the CCI, that break would be the buy point. Technically speaking, that break back down right through there would be the sell point. But it is curling, and a break back up through 100 would indicate another buy. You can see it's registering 95.94 right now. Full still, again, sharp upward move. The retrace is happening, holding right around 50, pretty neutral position. But momentum is trying to stay in this play. It's a nice look to the tricks. Sharp upward move, continuing to make higher lows. Want to see this channel continue as it maintains a bullish look. Start the video out by talking about the RSIs. It is a gauge of momentum, and you can see right through there we reference this quite regularly. Holding down below 50, just not getting a lot from the chart. Pretty neutral, but certainly leaning towards the bearish side of things because it is trading on the lower half of the indicator. Then the buying pressure came in, stock moved through it, and what you want to see is hold some support levels, and the RSIs hold over top of 50. That's exactly what we'll be looking for in the candles. Definitely a support level right there around 34 cents. 50-day moving average is registering at 33. So you want to see it pull dynamic support from the 50-day and hold that static support. Not to try and clutter things up too much. You'd see a retrace point right there around that support level. That's a pretty critical area for this to hold. It's the 61.8% retrace mark. Those that use the Fibonacci's know that that's a classic bounce point. So it's really tying in with what needs to be a strong support level. There is a little bit more support down here at 32. Certainly some more down here around 28 cents. And even very bottom support at 26. When you're looking at a play like this, though, you're looking for this bullish pressure to maintain, this to make some higher lows, and just try and take out some top points. So I'd really be paying attention to that 34-cent support level. On the upside, there's a little bit of resistance that runs right in through around here 42, 43 cents. But I'd be looking for it to pick back up much more heavily when it starts to approach 50. The old high of 47. See the support and resistance level right around that area back in October. Even on the run in November, it didn't hold it for very long. Promptly pulled back down. Couldn't hold over top of the 50-day moving average. You can see that's been a source of dynamic resistance for it for quite a long time. And that'll be a key point for this chart. It does trade on a little bit lower volume. 106,000 shares traded on Friday. The markets were, of course, closed yesterday. So kicking this week off, we'll be paying attention to that support. See if we can get a little bit of a surge in volume. And see what it does if it can go up here and challenge this upper level resistance, which at this point still represents a pretty nice gain, with this closing at 38 cents, about 20% per share. But in the grand scheme of things, want to see it hold over top of the 50-day, identify this 26-cent area as a true bottom for this play, and see if these indicators are going to continue to play out the trend and show a climb to come in this chart. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the CNAM chart, but as always, this is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.